Are you gonna go in the tunnel?
Yeah. Let me do. Ruby,
Is Ruby gonna come out? Watch out! Watch out! I want to see her. Come on, Ruby! Come on. Oh, you chicken! Go ahead, Molly. There's a girl. Yay!
Bill.
Come back. Hey, monkey.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. Get out of the way. I want Ruby to come out. Come on, Ruby. No, go through the tunnel. Ruby. Robert. Ruby. Okay, are you done? Are you gonna go through again or not?
No. Well, I guess I am for the end by end.
Okay. No, Ruby, get down.
It looks like she's flying on.
Yeah, she was. Don't climb on that cage one.
Oh,
Ruby, quit. Ruby, quit.
Oh my gosh. Well, at least I don't want the kisses.
Here, let me go over and you can come through the tunnel the other way, okay?
Yes, Mom.
All right. Ruby, get off of it. It's going to cave in.
Oh.
Ruby, quit. Come on. There's a puppy. No, quit digging. Ruby. Okay, hang on.
Check Ryan.
Ruby, move. Oh, man. Oh, I'm losing my pants, Molly. Okay, come on. Come back the other way. Hurry, though, because my battery's about to die. Ruby, move. Yay! Okay,
Missy.
that's it. Love ya.
I love you too.